In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the latest features that GoHighLevel has introduced. So let's talk about those features and how those features can benefit uh, different kind of businesses. And some of them are a bit old, but still they are some good features that I'd like to highlight in this video. But before we get started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tuntosiram, and I am an agency owner using GoHighLevel, white level and selling it. I occasionally create videos and tutorials on GoHighLevel so that I could, share the things that I've learned myself and also to help others who want to start a SaaS or an agency business using GoHighLevel. And if you're someone who wants to get started with GoHighLevel and start a SaaS agency, I have a free course that you can go through. I'll leave the link to the course in the description. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that is new in GoHighLevel is the inventory feature. So for that, you'll have to go to payments, products. Before there was only products and collections, but now this new feature has been added. It's somewhat similar like Shopify and other, inventory e-commerce websites and all. And I think this is a great feature, a great addition to GoHighLevel, so that it can be a great use for e-commerce businesses. And let's try this out. Products. I have another video that I previously made about how to create products and sell on GoHighLevel. So I've also added the automation that you'll need to send the product to your customers in that video. I'll leave the link to the video also in the description. All right. So first of all, you'll have to include the product in the online store. Then you have to name it, add the pricing, and here's the variant, I think. So you can add amount, available quantity and all, and track the inventory. And I think this is what, if we choose this will show up in the inventory section. And also you can add a search engine listing that will be helpful for SEO, search engine optimization, so that your products can be visible in the search engine. So this is the first feature I'm talking about. I think it's not that great compared to other e-commerce platforms, but this is a beginning, and I think this will be improved over time, and it's great for us, because we could, we could attract more clients for ourselves as long as we get as many features as we can. All right. So the next one is payment links. So I think some of you must have seen this before also, but still this is worth a mention, as is an easy way to create payment links for your products that you have already created. Just go to create new payment link, select the product, add the product, and here are some options before you can send it to your customers. You can check this if you want them to if you want them to add their phone numbers, collect customer addresses. Also, you can add coupon codes, let the customer adjust quantities and all. You can uncheck this also. And the call to actions, the buttons you can use is book, donate, even great for donations, and your branding. You can test and live. Add the terms and conditions also. You write it here. I think terms, and add the link. Select and add the link. Anything. Your terms link. So this is a great feature that you can make use of as an agency also, and also as a business owner. The another thing is abandoned cart. So you can find it in the same payment section here. Go to orders and abandoned checkouts. So this thing is also a great addition. For now, it will show you the order was placed, date, items, amount. All right, the next thing is um, the sites, um, the store, sorry. So here's the store. You can start by creating a new store from templates. Continue if you're an e-commerce. This can also be done used for selling digital products. You can see the templates here. The templates are limited for now, but I think they'll add more in the coming days. So this for just for the beginning. You can modify it, customize it as you're liking. Go to continue and set up your store. The other thing is you can also add these stores in the websites. So new website, let's take a blank, sorry, templates, continue. And if you want to learn how to create websites in GoHighLevel, I have another video for that also. You can check it out later after this video. I'll leave the link to the video also in the description. So everything I talk about, any resources or any other thing, I'll leave the link to those in the description itself. So here it is, adding the template. Something went wrong. Let's try it again. So today GoHighLevel has been acting a little, differently for me. So it's already there. It's not. So here's the website. And there are no pages. Add a new page. Page name. We don't have to add a path. Create new page. We can add the path and the URLs later. This is a great feature in GoHighLevel. Alright, edit. So this won't be a very long video. It's a short one. Add a section. Alright, here it is. Just click this or this. And you can add a store here. Add to site. And it'll add a store here itself. So preparing the layout. So here's the store. For that, you'll have to have products in your product area that I just showed you earlier. So this is the store. One thing is that it will pull all the products that you have added over there. So make sure that if you, I'll show you. I wish they had something, a feature where you could only list the products that you want to list here, but that's not possible for now. So when you create products, make sure not to add them in the stores if you don't want them to show up in the store section. So here it is. Just turn this off and the product will not show in this section. So this is a feature they are lacking in. I think they should have given us the capability to choose the product that we want to add here. I haven't used it, but that's my thinking. I think according to the things I have seen while checking this feature out. But still, it's a great addition. You can save it. You can add this product section in, create a page and add the store in your website, or you can create a different website only for e-commerce using the stores feature. Anyways, both will show up in the website section also and in the store section also. So here's the website, sorry, store. Thank you. Check out product list, product details. So if you add products, they'll have an individual page for each product also. Now the next one is QR codes. It's same in the site section. Go to QR codes. So the best thing about QR codes is that you can track the analytics, how many times it has been clicked. Maybe we can create automation later using the QR codes also, but it's not there for now. Because before this, I used to create QR codes in Canva, but we didn't have the feature to, track the analytics and all. So there's no scans for now because we don't have any QR codes. But still, this one's a great addition. Let's check it out. So QR code, you can name it QR test. You can add your review links also if you have review links over there. So let's say website. Next, you can add the website here. Next, and customize the QR code also, the backgrounds, the colors, the marker border, and all those things. You can also customize the shapes, round here, and you can choose the different patterns here, the dots, and you can also add your logo. That's a YouTube. It will appear here in the middle, and you can also leave the logo like this or remove the background like this. You can add a background to the page and download the QR code and use it wherever you want it. So this one is also a great addition to the GoHighLevel platform. And the next one is brand boards. You call it brand or brands, I don't. So my pronunciation is a little different. Okay, marketing, brand boards. So this one is just similar to what Canva has to create brand boards for your business. Here it is. You can choose a pattern here. Let's start from scratch. Continue. You can add your logo here. Back. So there are two ways you can add your logo. So one's for your website maybe, and this one's for some other places. You can add colors. Go here, colors, and add as many colors you can add for your branding, and also the font that your brand use, and save the board. And later use this in different places you're working inside the GoHighLevel. For example, in your emails, I did find this brand board in the email. You can also use it in your funnels and website, but still there are some places where it's not, there. You can't use it there. For example, forms. I didn't find it in forms and also in the calendar. So I wish I could use my brands all over the place just by creating a brand board. So that would be great if they add upgrade this later. But for now, this is a start, and I think it will get better by time. So these are the 6 things I think worth mentioning, because if you talk about new features, GoHighLevel add new features all the time, here and there. So we can't track all of them every time. But if you would like to learn and test the new features before they get live in your dashboard, you can go to settings and labs. So here's where you can find out what kind of features are in the roadmap now. For example, this one says you can turn it on if you want to use it. Otherwise, it will be live in 13 days. Then time zone update for calendars, live in 202 days, but you can test it now itself. Ad manager, opportunity list view, additional contacts, bulk new, all those things. So you can try this out before they get live if you want to. New color picker. So to use the brand board, you'll have to turn this on, new color picker funnels and websites, only for funnels and websites and emails, not for the other places. And yeah, that's it. So this is where you can find the new features. And the other thing you can do is you can go to so here it is, high level ideas. So this is the roadmap for their new features, any features they are working on. And if you could find something that you know you want to you want them to move ahead and be the first feature to come in GoHighLevel, you can go and upvote them. So this was it for this video. And once again, I'd like to remind you, would if you're someone who's stuck and trying to start a Go High Level SaaS business, or an agency, there's a free course in the description that you can try it out, and you can reach out to me also if you have any confusions, any questions and all. I'll try to help you out the best way I can. That's it for this video. Thank you.